wasn't this big, so thank you.
We were drinking and having times down by the ocean. We thought of running away, but don't we all? We had this strange idea we were gonna be famous. We were too drunk to drive and make that call. My amigo, well, his eyes were dead, but he was still riding down the line. He had a court in his hand. He said, I wasn't made for these times. The cemetery and the car garage, a couple of dirty dogs. It's sad, but I felt blessed. Amongst the dead, we were at our best. Amigo, you're still 19, you're still hungry, you're still young. You're still 19, you're still hungry, you're still one. You're only 19, you're only hungry, you're so dumb. You're still 19, you're still hungry, you're so fucking dumb. My amigo, well, his eyes were dead, but he was still riding down the line. He had a cord in his hand. He said, I wasn't made for these times. You're my amigo.
I'm talking to her now. Okay. See if she says yes.
You're my amigo.
One more.
We love you so much. Not bad. I see too many young men watered down. I see too many fires burn out. I was there to see your eyes are tired, and I was there in the dark and didn't you smile. You should have made your bills, should have run from the bed. We got your name and flushed your mess. You should have said the things you heard in your head. There's too many good men living dead, and I don't wanna miss a damn thing. Oh, I don't. But I ain't gonna miss a damn thing. I am not. Besides, times got time until there ain't no time at all. smartest shit that's ever existed. I love you guys, that's the only reason I did that. Not a fucking chance. Thanks for coming on my show! Thanks for coming on my little piece of work. North Wellington Street, tell you a story right now. North Wellington. I had this window overlooking, I think it was Big Bear, convenience store, it is Big Bear. And I had this window overlooking the street, and this girlfriend and this boyfriend were walking by at 4 in the morning. I used to like to sit up and listen to the people all night. They were walking by, and this boyfriend, he had his girlfriend's phone, he was holding it up like this, and she's going, give it back, give it back. And he goes, and smashes it on the ground, and she snaps, it lights the whole night on fire, okay? But then, 1 hour later, she's walking down the street like this, he's following behind her, and going, I don't know what I did wrong. And that's when Hamilton, Ontario became one of my favorite fucking cities in the world. Alright. Well, you were born to wander, baby. Your eyes are like a horse's crazy. Your sky is like a sky all pink. Your heart above your mama's kitchen sink. Oh man, I just wish I had been with your granddaddy sipping gin on the outskirts looking in. I'm on the outskirts looking in. So thanks for coming on my show. Thanks for coming on.
We're going backstage, buddy. We're going to meet him in the bar, man. I hope it happens quick. Yeah. It should, yeah.
No.
All I gotta do is pee.
We don't hang out now for a little while.
It's your fucking age, man. I know.
We're gonna be back with the glorious sons, ladies and gentlemen. We love